Hello, good night. Question 1. Tell us about yourself. My name is Giselle Fernanda Rojas. 1. I can tell you about myself is that I am 32 years old. I live in the city of Tuluá. I have been working for 10 years in the metal mechanical company. I am an SST technologist, Catholic, a faithful believer that the family is every time. I consider myself a cheerful, persevering, persistent woman. I love spending time with my niece. I enjoy being at home, dedicating time to myself. I am currently studying in the industrial engineering. I enjoy every step for my life. I want to very good in my professional field. I want to be a mother and I also want to be a better person every day. Thank you.